She don't want to go enjoy
Not every
herself.
woman. Yes, she want to go enjoy herself, yes, but the other one. Suppose it's a woman who will picky for herself. It's not every favor she jump in. So she has say, then you go on. If the man is out the man and a man out every day, she don't want to feel out there every day.
No problem with that.
No.
Because the wife is the
And then suppose say it go like this then. You are the man who love the yard, you see it? And you find a woman who love out there, how you are feeling yourself.
Eh, me out there with that too.
Eh?
Out there.
Yeah, is not a man then.
Oh, me not going to my yard. Friend, she say
Yeah,
road.
is not a man, Charlie.
Friend, she come to me and say,
Yeah,
be
this
you
a
know,
man.
say,
Yes, if
go
I
on,
did-
go road, I want to
Yes, if
come
I'm
with
there
me.
first, yes, if I'm
Me
there
not going
first.
to go and answer that.
Yes, if I'm there first, yes, if
Me
I'm
don't say
there
be me,
first,
I go come
Charlie.
with her, you see me?
Why me want to follow my woman? Why me ask me want to come go with my woman?
If she asks you who to go with her, brother?
Brother, me and my woman can go there, please. Me have a woman. Your place is like my woman I want to go like. We are go I want dance. I ask me which dance. She can say to me, say, come we go. We are go a souls party. We are go. How come you this man? Afternoon.
So woman, you know, and take your woman to where? Outside? Where you not talk about?
Yeah, I said that you know, it's about certain man will have their personal woman, then fill up on front line. Not take no side chick and put his wife in your yard, and side chick in my front line, and wife in your yard, come to her sleep. So, I wait for man come, my man can't come, man tell the person in my yard. You get that work, brother? You feel me? Brain bad man. My wife is always out there. If you don't have no aunt, no side chick, you can have no side chick, but make sure your wife is always out here. Back front line. Wife is always out here. Side chick can get fair turn. Fair turn. Yeah. Let me get home and I see. My wife is always. Brother, my wife is acting. My woman is acting. Side chick can cover low class. She have to act like my wife.
But why you have a wife and a side chick if your wife's hot? That's the question. If your wife hot, why you have to have a side chick? That means your wife not.
With them, but with me, no.
I one girl you want.
One girl, me.
But everybody else want wife and side chick.
No. They want a wife, side chick, bona woman, canna woman. How you call it though? How you call it next one? Extortion.
They want everybody.
Everybody. That's like how the woman they want them husband.
But we just want
Side
boopsy
man,
down to the
The canna
time.
man, the bona man and then whole heap of thing there. Yeah, so we want it to. Same way. But me not look upon it that way.
You just want one.
One.
Alright, well,
Say
everybody.
one burner, yes, one burner good. One coastal, see there? Good.
Work.
Yeah.
Never let you down.
I know, say, now
And
you
if the one woman fail you, there's an next one. Cause what
Yeah,
they
and
always
that's
say,
you know
as
what
one
say.
gone, the next
You
one
know, say, I
gone.
guess
If a woman feel like she want to go through the door,
Era.
you're
Era.
free to go.
Era charge.
Yeah, me just gonna do you
Here
know.
now.
When as you go, me just go one bar, go buy one half glass of rum. I want pour, I want cram water and just sit down in my house. When my weed, I just celebrate. Kaya God. If you come back, nobody thinks I'm going to jump back to me, because I don't say yeah. Any man you find, or anybody else say, oh, yeah, we want, we claim to say I go with you, better go on. But when they hurt you, or certain circumstances reach you, down in the dead, or long run, nobody don't come back to this foot. Because this foot, now go pick you up back. This foot now pick you up back.
He's a man who never been in love with dogs, you understand?
So you just start what you? Who are you? So you tell you now? Yes, so you don't know about me? Yeah, go always start.
How much people?
Yeah, people
How much people you know me have?
2.
Alright.
How much you know me have? 1.
Me never see what you
Alright.
Me
That's
can
nice.
prove mine upon deadline. Say, hey,
I can't prove my
No.
own them. Me no want prove.
no. See, like how me prove say, hey, see mine them there.
Me
And
no
some more
want
you
to
give me them and
prove.
say, hey,
Brother,
hey,
that's how we
see
uno.
me here? No.
That's how we uno like prove it up.
I
Uno
say,
like
when a
me
boy,
no like
when a boy body burn to death, then I want proof to you that when the man do DNA test.
No want.
And
them are youth them out there.
No.
When time come for
So
everybody to
listen,
them.
man, listen, man. We're not talking about the youth them. You ever been in that relationship where it have you, where it are gonna knock you down? No. Cause you see how you talk, you sound like you're the man who saw your role. Cause you say you're stick to the one woman, and then when the one woman left you even know how she ever left you. Cause you say if a man she will go to or whatever be the case, you say how you talk, and so make me know say you never been in love. Let me tell you, listen man. Hold on, man. You know, say, listen, man. You know, say the man will not do the crime. They get 20 years prison. And you see the man who do the crime in the road free, ask me how comes. Because him know if he live. Because you see, listen me good. You see reason a thing where out there have to know for you to get trouble in the street. Because you see me good. Facing people who got high school, they come at you with words where you don't know. And so when you don't know a word, you have to answer less. And so if you answer, you might answer incorrect. Listen me good, them that got prison, I don't know what the fuck his life all about. You see the man where say go out of the courthouse and say yes Lord, me nah go back. He gone do it said there because you are going and have him brain out to get himself out of problem. Him is a man that talks now like him now. You see the first woman when pick up and say I love him right now. And me in him house I wear out him shirt. I tell me that. Poor me. You go and chat. Because listen me go. You say woman is a give and take something. You say how you build that. Just listen man. You say how you build a respect for that woman is how you treat a woman. And it is still a matter of fact what a woman will do. Nevertheless, we are man, you know. You know say a woman won't have like, you know say he's a man and you not give up a woman but none at all. Where you say how you flex out in the street, she might feel say you agree with the cocky. Don't it? And you as a man, your woman out in the street and your woman not even give with the pussy, but you in yourself, how she flex, feel that she'll give the pussy. Me can't tell that, me, and that I got through while living with a woman. Years. Till one time, listen me, as a young youth, it become to a obsessed part of my life that I say you are going woman. I hear say for there, you know. You understand me? Till the point I'm like, listen me good now. Them say, listen me good. Them say one pussy kill cocky. And me as a young youth experience that. Until you know me start though, there was no other pussy for me because listen me good. I build myself to attach to one woman. And between me and you, it's not like say you cocky dead, you know, but them love motion and you know something, you know.
Emotional
they're not there because you feel like you miss something else. You miss something else. That's why you have enough boy in the house or grounds right now. I tell you because listen me good. They feel like they can't fuck their woman again, so them start to suck the pussy. I tell you. Because you never been this, brother, listen me. You not been down some road yet, I tell you, brother. Listen me, you ever fuck one woman straight until all you fuck, no sperms now come? You can't answer me straight from that.
That's some good loving. That's some good loving.
Because you know if a supplier straight. But listen me good, you are going to listen me good. You are going to run out of listen me. You are going to run out of tactics. You are going to run out of tactics. And see tactics what you need, mama, is some more like fertilizer. You say you need a different pussy and cocky. You get it for now? There's some businessman, some rich man, some wealthy man, them pay for that pleasure. You see, get a GIF off for a real life, so 50 Shades of Grey. A real life event that some man of them real life living and then we buy the side chick a big house. Fuck the side chick how them want fuck the side chick because they want go home go pleasure them wife. You understand me? But you never been through something charging.
One question more.
Anything you want to say?
You ever been in a relationship? Sure. There this woman, right? You there yard, she there yard and she tell you, Sue come. Check her stop now. The Sue come and she says